All right, so this is using Photoshop's AI, generative AI. Uh, what you want to do is download one of these photos. It doesn't actually matter. Just pick one, click on it, right click, save image as, and save it. And then what you want to do is open it up in Photoshop. Okay. Um, Again, it doesn't matter. Or you can find your own image. You can find another image if you want. The whole idea here is, though, we can actually use Photoshop now has this AI built in that it will actually generate images or things in images. So say I wanted a cactus right here. I'll take my rectangular selection tool, right click. Sorry, freaked out for a second. Let me make sure. Oh, turn my feather off real quick. Okay. So there you go. Draw here. And then it pops up this box here. If you click generative fill, you can tell it what you want to fill it with. And then hit generate. And then give it a couple seconds. Once that bar is done, it will actually generate. I think it's usually, I think it's 3 different cactuses that you can choose from. If you don't like any of those, so here's cactus 1, cactus 2, cactus 3. Okay, so you can go around here and generate other things. I don't know what else is in a donkey. There we go. Probably not big enough for a donkey. So your selection does have to kind of match the size of the thing you want. Okay. You can always also change it. So if you're like, I don't like that cactus anymore, I can come over here in the layer panel and select another cactus after it's done generating. Give me a second. I can go to cactus and switch the cactus over again. And then the donkey, I got a couple different donkeys. There you go. That's pretty good. So the whole idea is it's using AI, which y'all probably heard of, just generating stuff, and then also blending it with the canvas. So you'll notice as I switch between the donkeys, the mountains in the background actually change because it's generating everything inside that box. But it all looks pretty realistic, right, as far as the generation goes. If you want to hide it, just click that's the original, that's the generated one, right? So the whole idea here is you're going to generate an image with 3 or 4 different things using AI and then save it. Now you can use the ones on Google Classroom, like a beach wall. You can do that, or you can pick a different one. I don't really care. Now, what you have to do, what you have to notice on a lot of the AI stuff, it doesn't allow you to do like people that you know. So I can't go in here and do Joe Biden. I can't do that. It'll pop up with or it should pop up with an error. Yeah. So here's the prompt. It says your prompt appears to use language that we don't support this time. So you can't put famous people. I couldn't even put someone like. It's not necessarily political, but you can put any. You can't use people like famous people, just because I guess it against their terms and services. But you might run into a prompts where it doesn't allow you to do it, like violence and drugs probably aren't going to be allowed or stuff like that. So the whole idea here is you're going to pick an image and generate some AI stuff on it, and just kind of play around with it because it's kind of fun to do. So the next time we're actually going to take a picture of ourselves and generate some stuff with us using our webcams. It'll be kind of fun. Um, anyway, that's it. So just play around this. Do like 3 or 4 different images on here. And actually, it'd be kind of cool, like if you took a screenshot of it and like asked other people to tell you what's generated and what's not, what's AI generated, what looks photoshopped or what. So let me give you your screens back. Actually, let me stop sharing.